Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is going to be on the Iiwey 1080p dual dash camera. As you can see, I have my assistant Fred with me today, who's rather inquisitive of what's inside the box. It's a smaller sized box, nothing special. Opening the box, inside we have the camera. Let's get the cardboard out first, give it to Fred. We have the camera, which I've mounted to the suction cup. We have the USB cord. We have the backup camera, long cable, and the vehicle's power cord, cigarette plugged to the USB end. And this is a small package containing the screws mounting for the backup camera. Give it to Fred. He'll hold it for a little while. Then I have the instruction manual, which goes over in detail, pretty good detail of what's each function is. We have an extended warranty card. It's an 18-month warranty. And the camera itself is very sturdy. It's plastic and metal material. Again, like I said, I attached the camera to the suction cup and it's ready to go on the vehicle. Really easy attachment. So that's all we have. Super Night Vision. Upgraded Sony image sensor, high dynamic range, and an f1.80 big large aperture will enhance the camera's ability to recognize details in different brightness environments. This dash cam can record full high-quality videos even under the lowest of light conditions. High dynamic range. The HDR enhances the light sensitivity of the camera and can obtain clear videos and pictures in different situations of overexposed and overdark ambient light. Waterproof rear camera. This dual dash cam is equipped with a waterproof rear camera with 4 LED lights. You can see and film what's happening behind the car even at night. It's waterproof and there is no need to worry about rain. Loop recording. When loop recording is off, the 32 gig memory card, which is included, will support 180 minutes of constant recording. So loop recording function can keep the camera's continuous recordings for a longer time. A 170-degree wide angle full HD 1080p at 30 frames a second or 1920 by 1080 with a wide front angle will cover 3 more roads and ensure that every sudden situation ahead can be captured and recorded. The 3-inch HD LCD display screen. It's a brand new glass screen that you can clearly feel the brand new experience brought by the upgraded materials. Parking monitor dash. The dashboard camera comes with parking monitor function. Once it detects a collision, the dash cam will automatically power on and start recording the SOS files as evidence after you turn off your engine. Protects your car after parking with complete 24/7. The dash cam will automatically shut off after 25 seconds emergency video. It won't take your car's battery. I powered on the dash cam and I'm going to supply some footage of how it records and the quality of the picture and the video. It's very high quality, and it's a very wide angle lens that you can see in the video that I'm including into this video. So that's all I have for today on the dash cam. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, I'm out.